Hi, welcome back to the channel. My name is Anastasia and I am your go-to fitness expert. If you feel that this is enough to be overweight, to be choppy, to be sluggish, to be tired, and to be dissatisfied in the way you look at yourself in your mirror, in your clothes, in the way you walk, and you feel that you embarrassed when people look at you, when you feel that you are not comfortable in your skin, this is your alarm to change your life. This is your alarm to transform not only your body shape, not only the measurements, not only to lose weight, but to transform your life in all directions, which means dating life, your personal life, your sex life, your friendship, your even family relationship. If you think that it's not related, it's all interconnected. This is all what I teach and what I share in this channel. If you want to know more, if you want to know how does it work and what I have as an offer, feel free to send me a DM and we take from there. In today's video, I want to speak with you about a no time syndrome. It's a big cliche of today's life, which is absolutely applicable for every other person. Either it's a woman in 20s, either it's a woman in a teenage age, either it's a woman in her 30s, 40s, 50s. It's such a regular phrase that people are using unconsciously, even without double thinking, that I have no time for this, I have no time for friends, I have no time for family, I have no time for going to the gym, I have no time for this, that. But crucially, it's very important, because when you start to assign that you have no time, particularly as I want to discuss in this channel, for your health, for your well-being, for the way you feel inside your body, which means your body shape, your physical appearance, your physical power and your strengths, also your sex appeal, your drive, your hormonal balance, your skin health, it's all connected to such a basic how you prioritize your health on a daily basis. And it's not about just to subscribe to the local gym to go like 2, 3, 4 times a week. It's also about dedicating every single day some time for yourself. When you have time to slow down, to feel the real sense what's happening in your body. And if you haven't done any sort of practice like yoga, meditation, breath technique, Pilates even, which are helping you to find and feel this source, because we all have this source, this inner stamina of being awake of the way how your body feels. So we know that in a stage of medical report, there is certain illness happening after a certain age. Either it's 35 for someone, 30, 40, 50. But when you conscious about your body, again, which go back to the foundation, when you dedicate time on a daily basis for yourself to find this 5 minutes, 10 minutes to meditate, even to be in a total quietness with yourself, with your thoughts, with your emotions, to identify why do you feel in a certain way, to clear up, either to be straight, to be assertive, to be persuasive in a communication. Or if you are not happy about your body shape, which I'm again and again repeating in this channel and towards my clients, it's not about genetic. It's not about the bad luck or because you have delivered third baby. It's about you have prioritized the choice to sit in a position of complaining because you feel that you're dissatisfied. And we women especially, we are mostly, all of us suffer with the perfectionism because we wanted to have everything perfect. Or we would tend to complain about the skin, about the makeup product, about the serum, about the cellulite, about the no time, right? But if you choose to make a change, to change something about it, let's say it's a wrinkles on your face, let's say it's cellulite, if you have taken decisions that I want this summer 2024, I want to be in this stunning bikini that I will buy from this shop, or maybe you have it already, but I would highly recommend for you to buy a new one. And I want to feel confident. I want to feel stunning. And it's not about just to take a perfect picture and pose and let every other person on your circle to be jealous. No, it's about you to be confident in your body. It's not about comparing yourself to the celebrities. It's not about yourself comparing to someone else. It's you being confident in yourself. And if you say that you are into the space of a body positivity and you're happy as you are, deep down, if you're really, really honest with yourself and it's really true for yourself, I'm happy for you. But most of the time there is a strategic thinking about it, and what I have found also in disclosing through the therapeutic through the coaching session with my clients, and with a connection that you feel uncomfortable in your own skin, and then you in your inner sense in your head you are go through the deep complaining all the time, and hence you do not do anything to improve. But then when you take all of this time while you complain to improve yourself, to change something about this position. So let's say it's your skin health, it's your cellulite. If you know that you have a cellulite, it does not help you if you buy another PJs, or if you buy some oversized clothes, or if you're hiding with a different kind of cutting your underwear, or let's say some body shapers. No, it does not fix the situation, because it just outsources. Still deep down inside, how do you feel in yourself, in your own skin? It still stays the same. You are dissatisfied, you are at the stage of complaining. So what you can do, you can subscribe to the new exercise routine. You can demolish all bad food items from your kitchen, from your shelves. You can get out of having a habit to order some Chinese, some junk food, some Burger King on a weekends, or sit down on an ice cream. You can prioritize a better food choices. But again, here you need to have some wise education about it. This is what I also teach. I teach about how to develop the knowledge about how to nourish your body through your food, how to exercise on a daily basis. And it does not mean that you need to go to the most fancy gym 3 times, 4 times, or every single day. No, you can do in comfort of your house. I have a beautiful routines of exercise which you can mix in your any day routine. How much you have demand from your career, from your personal life, you can fit in. You can fit in 15, 20, 30 minutes. Of course, there is a longer one for an hour, but you can fit, and you could see that you do invest in this area of your life, of your health. And funny here enough that when you start invest and when you see results, you also improve your mindset. Again, the beautiful approach of a holistic lifestyle, when you focus on all areas of your nourishment, the way you eat, on your mental health, and on your exercise, and of course of your self-care rituals, your routines. So you start to exercise, you have less time, and actually no need to complain, because already you do something to improve yourself. And funny enough, you see that then your priorities also shift. You think more about your health, you do better choices for your food, for your self-care, for your even some changes in your interior design, better sleeping routine. You prioritize yourself, and it does not mean that you prioritize yourself and you forget your family, your kids. No, you also become a better role model for your environment, for your husband, for your partner, for your kids, for your family members, because also not only you would see results, and sometimes we are also from a place that we are too into the state of a perfectionist, we are neglecting to catch up the changes which are happening, and people who are surrounded you, they are more sensitive to catch up these beautiful changes, and they would compliment you, and again you will have another dopamine, another source of getting better. And it's not just to be in a rush to get the compliments or to be in demand of compliments. It's already a self-fulfilling prophecy, because you do changes, you improving yourself, you dedicate time for your exercise routine, you eat better, you see that your skin improves, that your weight is shrinking in a joyful manner. You do not exhaust yourself. It would be difficult at the beginning to say no to all the food that you was eager to eat before, but then you know in the name of what you are doing, and then you moderate your schedule. Your time gets better. Your schedule gets more nailed and polished, because funny enough, when you get out from your kitchen all the junk food, all the extra sugar, your clarity of your mindset, your focus, your any dysfunctional in your focus orientation gets more sharp, and then hence you are getting, I do not want to use too much about productivity stuff, but still you are more focus oriented and productive. So even though if you have some subjects to do the job, to sit up with your kids, to organize some event, you are more productive and efficient. Actually, there is a better word. You are efficient at what you do, because sometimes we use a lot of time on daydreaming, bad talk, comparison, but then when you are standing tall and strong on your both feet because you exercise, you have your inner stamina, you nourish yourself with the great delicious food items, you meditate, and you elevate your mental health, you are not so much distracted. You are not falling into the roller coaster of comparison, of jealousy, of procrastination. You are focused and you know that this is my goal, this is what I need to do, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, I do it. And there is no such a thing that you would come up that I have no time. No, you would just look at your schedule openly and what can I fit it. And it's not about that you need to drive to the gym to go, because sometimes when I have just onboarding my new client, I have the same complaint everywhere that I have no time. You do not understand. I have 2 kids, I have a husband, I have my business, the one kid in one school, one kid in other school. I need to drive all around the city and there is the traffic. I say, all right, darling, we can do it in this way. We can moderate. Your schedule is here, but you can wake up 1 hour earlier because you do it for yourself and you have a total peaceful hour for yourself when you can prioritize your health. And it's not about prioritizing yourself and again forgetting everything and still pushing yourself to sleep less, because hence when you improve your exercise routine and your eating habits, you would tend to sleep less. You wouldn't need to sleep so much. You would be fresh naturally by waking up. Let's say if you tend to wake up normally at 7 or 6, now you wake up at 5ish, you will feel fresh and you feel more restful. And of course, obviously, you may sleep earlier, which also would be more better for you to keep yourself in shape, in a physical shape, in a mental health shape, because your also mentality, your emotional state would also be in a shape that it is unshakable, which is very important for you to handle your life, your family life, your career, your decisions, your ideas, your creativity. And you see how does it important to allocate all of these items. And if you feel that you have a struggle in this area of allocating, of planning, of strategizing, and if you feel that it's all mess and maybe one day, someday when your kids are grown up, when you done this project, this would be a perfect time to start. The perfect time to start is right now. Today, you have an opportunity to reach me in my DMs and say, hey, Anastasia, I want to book a free consultation call with you. Tell me how to transform your life. We'll meet over the Zoom, discuss where you are right now. My approach is unique. I believe in a one-on-one sessions. I believe in bespoke program because you unique, I unique. You have your own path and I want to deliver for you the best possible transformation. So you do not lose anything by sending me a DM and book your consultation call. We can take from there, because you can transform from today on and get maximum from your life and get more time in your life, not just because you exercise, because you get more energized, more enthusiastic, more creative, more ideas. I don't know again what's happening with the English, but forgive me. What's ideas popping up in your mind, you're getting more and more alive in your life. And this is one of this, your time to invest in the beginning, to sleep less, to sweat and be committed. to the transformation. I'm here to be your backbone in this transformation, because to go all by yourself is challenging and really, really tough. So get into the contact, send me a DM, book your free consultation call. Do not forget to put like for this video, so I know that you like it, the content, and you get some wise takeaway for yourself. And I will see you in the next one.